Lucky bamboo plants thrive in well-draining potting soil, but some of us use water only to grow them. In both conditions, your plants may turn their leaves yellow for different reasons. We will cover both. First thing, you should make sure that it's placed in bright light. Although they are grown as indoor house plants, that doesn't mean you should keep them in low light conditions. When lucky bamboo doesn't receive sufficient light, chlorophyll production decreases. Chlorophyll is essential for the green color of leaves, so as its levels decline, the leaves appear yellow. The lack of sunlight inhibits chlorophyll production, leading to chlorosis and yellowing of lucky bamboo leaves. So whether you're using soil or water, you need to place them correctly. Also keep in mind that too much direct sunlight can cause the leaves to turn yellow and burn. Keep your plant in bright, indirect light for best results. If you're using your tap water for your bamboo plants sitting in water or to water them in soil, in both scenarios, if your tap water is containing excessive amount of chlorine and fluoride, you should change your water medium for your sensitive houseplants. Chlorine and fluoride can be harmful to plants by disrupting their cellular processes and damaging delicate root structures. They can interfere with nutrient uptake and inhibit photosynthesis, the process by which plants produce energy from sunlight. It's better to use distilled water, bottled drinking water, filtered water, rainwater, or to let tap water sit out overnight. Allowing tap water to stand exposes it to the air, which helps chlorine to dissipate over time. By using cleaner water, you can promote healthier growth and prevent yellowing of lucky bamboo plant's leaves. Another reason responsible for yellowing is giving your plant too much water or too little water. Overwatering or poor drainage can lead to root rot, which can cause the leaves to turn yellow and eventually wilt. If you suspect root rot, remove the plant from its container and inspect the roots. Trim away any soft or mushy roots and repot the plant in fresh, well-draining soil. When growing in water, always make sure the roots are submerged in water. Don't let the water completely dry out. In hot summertime, water in plant pots dry out faster, so you need to check the soil in the pot. Don't let it dry 100%. When top 25% of the soil is dry, you should water them. They love to be in moist soil. It's important to give the plant the perfect amount of water, not too much, not too little. Just like when you're thirsty. You don't want to drink too much water or too little water. And lack of nutrients may also cause leaf yellowing. Lucky bamboo plants don't require much fertilizer, but they do need some nutrients to thrive. Use a diluted liquid fertilizer specially formulated for lucky bamboo and apply it sparingly. Usually once a month during growing season is enough. For faster growth, don't try to over-fertilize your plants. It can also harm your plants. And for the leaves that have turned yellow, trim them in leaf shape because they are not going to turn green again. Hope you liked the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.